It is 1 row of 12, the same thing as 12 rows of 1. It gets you the same, okay? I think we're missing 2 other ones. Awesome. All right. We're going to leave this here, and then Zane, you're going to pass the marker to Benjamin. He hasn't had it yet. And now you guys are going to pretend that there are 24 hungry ants going to the picnic, okay? Don't erase, just think about 24. All right, we're going to pass the marker, and now I want you to think about 24 hungry ants. I'm just going to box this off, and you can kind of work small right here, okay? Now think, there's 24 hungry ants going to the picnic. How many different combinations? Do 24 hungry ants. Let's pass the marker again. Oh, let's pass it back to Beckham. We're going to pass it to Beckham. We're going to pass it to Beckham. And we're going to do 24. We're going to do this for about 2 more minutes. Ooh, so how many rows would this be?
That would be 1 giant row.
I thought we already did 1 giant row.
Exactly.
How is 1 times? So instead of 1 row.
Why can't you just...
Okay, thank you. All right, you are not erasing. Go ahead and just cap your marker and put your materials back. Do not erase. Cap your marker. Talk about what we found. Okay, you have a calm body right now. So, Joe. Okay, tell me 1 combination you found with 12 hungry ants. Wyatt?
12 times 1.
Okay, some people did 12 times 1. Now, Wyatt, can you explain to the group what would that look like for your rows of ants?
Like, 1 row down with 12 ants.
So 1 long row of 12?
Yeah.
So Wyatt, I want you to remember what we talked about that multiplication sign means when we're talking about groups of, right? Mm-hmm. So the equation you told me was 12 times 1. So I want you to read this as groups of.
Okay.
So read it like that, 12.
Groups of 1.
So when you think of 12 groups of 1, how many rows would there be?
12.
There'd be 12 because those are our 12 groups. Now some people also had 1 times 12.
Yeah.
Did you have that also, Wyatt?
Yeah.
Awesome. And that was your 1 group of 12?
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of us got to work with 24 hungry ants. Can I have a volunteer share a combination you had for 24 hungry ants, Finn? Or one that we did not get to. We didn't have time to do this one. I want you to maybe just think about it, and we'll have a few people share. My next one was going to be, what if there were 36 hungry ants going to a picnic? Can anyone raise their hand and tell me a combination that does not involve 1? That does not involve 1. 36 hungry ants. A combination that does not involve 1. This will be our final one. Dustin?
18 rows of 2.
If I add 18 rows of 2, oh wow, that's a lot of rows. We're going to have to double check that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Are you ready to count by 2s? Okay.
4, 6, 34, 36.
Good job, Dustin. Okay, so lots of different combinations that you could do with equal groups.